Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I am a single mother. I love to shake my camera apparently, and today I am going to be doing a little bonus for you. Now I am on a tight budget, so whenever I am able to have some money, I celebrate. I celebrate. So I don't know if you know this, but I finally completed my my AC sinking fund, and what I ended up doing with the money obviously is buying an AC for my daughter, but I ended up just putting it on my debit card because I happened to be there at the time. When I bought it, I didn't have this envelope with me, so but it is upstairs in her room, and she's doing a lot better. She's not sweating, she's not hyperventilating because of heat exhaustion, so that is good. It's still raining like every single day here, which sucks, but yeah, summer, New England. Let's see. So I have two bonuses today. So I ended up last month, I got my license for my Tech 2. I was able to get reimbursed from my job, which they gave me a total of $25 because that's how much my Tech 2 license was for my pharmacy. So, which is like really good because sometimes jobs don't like pay you back, and that was $50 that I had to shell out, one for each license. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick this over here. So I got a 10, I got a 5. Let's move that a little bit. And then I have this AC money. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 100. So I have a total of $125. So again, I can go ahead and count this for you. Put it all together. Yeah, whenever I get $1, I'm like, woohoo, bonus money. I'm going to shove that in an envelope because that's all I want to do now is shove things in envelopes. Real things like money. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Alright, so let me go ahead and put all of this in there. You hear some crazy stuff, that would be my cats, and if you hear like a weird humming, that is an AC. Yay! I can't even tell you how excited I am for the fact that I was able to buy an AC before Christmas, because I legit thought that was going to be her Christmas present. I'm just like, ugh. Like, thank God for sales and employee discounts, because my kid would most likely be dying up there. We live on the second and third floor in like a little condo type thing, and so yeah, it is super super hot up there, and I really do feel bad for her because heat rises. I don't know if you know that, but it's the truth. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna count every single envelope. I'm just gonna put or count what I put money in there, and if there's any change I will definitely let you know. Like with my car, I got AAA, and I paid for someone to like look at my car and for oil, so that right there I had to take money out of it and I had to use it. But I'm gonna start beefing this up again. Wednesday my car is supposed to be getting fixed. Cannot wait for that. Alright guys, so my first sinking fund is coming out of my gold binder, which is like my everyday rollover, but I don't take it with me unless I have to binder. So I am actually going to be putting $5 toward there today. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So $12 in my house. I have to buy a paper shredder because when I moved from Colorado, I ended up like I didn't have enough time to go through everything, so I legit have papers from like when my kids went to doctors 17 years ago. My son is 17, so 17, 18 years ago. I still have like maternity papers, like crazy stuff, because I am a paper hoarder. Unfortunately, it is a problem. I'm working on it. Sorry. First step is admittance, if that's the word. Alright, so the second thing that I'm going to be shoving in today is going to be, I keep using my fun bags to like move this thing. I'm sorry, guys. Let's see. Is going to be family. Now I am going to Lake George in a couple months or a couple weeks, actually. Hopefully my car makes it, because they just told me I have an oil leak coming from my engine. Yep. So we're gonna put 20, 30, and 40. Sorry, 20, 30, and $40 towards this. So let's see. I have a total of 100. Then I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, which would be 200. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. And that is 300. And then I have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So $340 in my family envelope. Good thing I got AAA, right? I got the premium one, the most expensive one that you could get, because God only knows, right? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take that away. The next one is gonna be my black binder, but I call this my responsibility binder because I have to be an adult, and I can't just buy candy and Barbie dolls and call it a day. So for my emergency fund, I'm going to go ahead and put $5 in there. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, and 67. So $167. Is my laptop getting anything? Ooh, yes. My laptop is getting $5. I wanted to buy a new laptop for September, but just with everything going on, I don't think I'm going to be buying that until like at least Black Friday. So it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But I'm adding $5, so I have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, no, just kidding. I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, and 32. So $132. You see this? I need you, little knick-knack, because you help me with my counting. I need that. I need this. Alright, so for my car, I'm going to be going ahead and putting in $20. And so I did spend a lot. AAA was $113. I spent $20 with like the oil stuff. I was supposed to get an oil change, and then they were like, you have a leak coming, we don't want to charge you because we don't, or you have a leak, we don't want to charge you because we're not sure if it's going to be a waste of money or not. You need to get this looked at. And so yeah. Hopefully they're like, yeah, no, it's not coming from your engine, it's coming from something else. But guys, transmission, engine, oil, oh, everything that can go wrong with this poor car is going wrong with this car, and yet I am riding it out to the end, I'm telling you. But I spent some money today, so let's see how much I have. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, and $74 left. So $274, and I did have, beginning actually this day, $386. So I did spend some money. But it is what it is, right? The next thing that I am going to be stuffing is passports. So while I was at AAA today, they told me that they do passport pictures for free. And then they said you need to get on your passports because they are backed up. They told me, basically, like, I found out that it's going to be about $200 per person to get passports, not really with the book. Because I guess you can get, like, a passport book and a passport card. I need the book, not necessarily the card. So I'm just going to get the passport for me and my kids, and it's going to be, like, $200 each. It's crazy. So I got to get on this. Like, I keep going over my income taxes, and basically a lot of my income taxes is going toward this. But I'm gonna go ahead and give myself $5 for the passports. So here, let me move this. Alright guys, so I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have $111 for passports. Debt is going to get nothing. Money down is going to get $5. This is for my future house, or at least to move. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to do ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have, oh, when I was at the AAA place, I had so many. Remember, I had like 30 ones. I really paid that lady with ones. She's just looking at me like, oh, thanks. But you know what? It's not my envelope anymore. So I'm okay with that. So for my money down, I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So I have $113. I'll count it one more time. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So $113 for money down. I just need like 9 grand more. I will get there. I'm determined. I'm just gonna walk up to someone and rob them of their house and be like, this is mine now. I deserve this. Alright. And then in my fun binder, which isn't really a fun binder, it's also a responsibility binder, but has all the fun stuff in there. So I'm actually going to be putting money toward my kids' school clothes. So for my son, he is going to be getting $10. And I have 20, 30, nope, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Okay, so 160, and when I do for one, I do for the other. So let's give her $10. Alright, so I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So 160. And then the last one is vacation, which we already know. So I should have $20 here. So let's see. I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I'm going to be adding that to all of this. Alright, there we go. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1,500 right here. And then I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 600 or 1,600. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, oh gosh. Alright, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So I have 1635. 1635. Holy crap, guys. Alright. And that should conclude my bonus money. Would have been shorter video if I could actually count, right? But it's okay. Nonetheless, my sinking funds are getting up there. I just need to go back to first grade and learn how to count a little bit better, and then I should be good, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this away. But guys, I'm excited that my sinking funds are growing, and I'm excited that I'm finally fixing my car, even though I'm not excited for all the issues that they're saying that I have. But nonetheless, this was a very short video, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. So I will see you guys later. Continue to watch me on my journey, and I hope that you guys have a really good day, okay? Alright guys, bye.